What is an auto insurance deductible and how does it work? Imagine you get into a minor accident and your car needs some repairs. You might wonder how much you will have to pay out of pocket before your insurance helps. That's where your auto insurance deductible comes into play. It is the fixed amount of money you agree to pay when you file a claim for covered damage to your vehicle. This applies mainly to collision and comprehensive coverages, which protect your car from damage or loss. For example, if your deductible is $500 and your repair bill is $2,000, you pay the $500, and your insurance covers the remaining $1,500. You choose your deductible when you buy your policy, and it can be anywhere from $250 to over $1,000. Picking a higher deductible usually means lower monthly premiums because you are agreeing to pay more if something happens. On the other hand, a lower deductible means higher premiums since your insurance company covers more of the cost upfront. Most auto insurance policies have separate deductibles for collision and comprehensive coverage. Collision coverage pays for damage caused by accidents with other vehicles or objects, like a tree or pole. Comprehensive coverage takes care of damages from theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. Sometimes, small damages like a windshield chip might be repaired without a deductible, depending on your policy and state rules. Liability coverage, which pays for damage you cause to others, usually does not have a deductible. When you file a claim, you pay your deductible either directly to the repair shop or it gets deducted from your insurance payout if your car is totaled. Remember, you will pay a deductible for each separate claim you make. Choosing the right deductible is about balancing what you can afford to pay out of pocket after an accident with how much you want to save on your monthly premiums. If you rarely file claims, a higher deductible can save you money over time because your premiums will be lower. But if you want to keep your costs predictable and avoid large expenses after an accident, a lower deductible might be better, even if it means paying higher premiums. Increasing your deductible can be a smart way to lower your overall costs because it reduces what you pay each month. Just be sure you have enough savings set aside to cover that deductible if an accident occurs. In the end, an auto insurance deductible is your share of the repair or replacement costs when something happens to your vehicle. It directly affects your premiums and how much you might need to pay after an accident. Picking the right amount is an important part of managing your car insurance costs wisely.